Hi video creators! Do you often see or hear about A-roll and B-roll, but have no idea what exactly these two terms are? Welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger official channel. This is Camille. In today's video, I'm gonna explain what is A-roll and B-roll, so you can better use them in your creation. But before we start, make sure you free download the software through the link we put in the description box down below. Alright, now let's get into today's video. A-roll is the main story. To take this complete recording of the interview about Olympic Park as an example, it's the A-roll footage because it contains the main material for our project. It helps viewers understand what is your video about and what you want your audiences know from the video. B-roll is the extra shots. In this project, the footage that include certain Olympic Park spots are our B-roll. It's still about Olympic Park, but give us extra information. In a word, B-roll footage works as a supplement, replacement, or the glue of different scenes in your A-roll. With B-roll, audiences can better understand the main story. Surely, the definition of B-roll now becomes wider. Many YouTubers use B-roll in their video creation that makes B-roll a shooting style. Now let's keep talking about why is B-roll so important for your video. Function number 1. Help tell your story. To take this A-roll footage as an example, it's a complete recording of the interview. The interviewee is talking about things he's been asked. Much time later, still the scenes that the interview is talking. Just imagine how boring the video looks. But if we add some B-roll shots, when he talks about the specific beauty spots, we drag the B-roll footage that include the mentioned spots to here on the overlay track. This can greatly improve the visual interest. When you insert B-roll shots in A-roll footage, your interview video can be more storytelling and fun. Function number 2. Cover errors. B-roll can gloss over imperfections or errors in your A-roll. This is widely seen in vlogs. Without B-roll, we have to keep everything perfect all the time. Whenever we meet fail or scene, we need to restart the recording to get a perfect A-roll footage. But B-roll can be the great way to save the effort. Use the B-roll to replace the error segment in the A-roll. We can make our video more engaging as well as improve our editing efficiency. Function number 3. Make transitions. Let's assume there are the shots for the daytime and the night scenes. Simply join them together might create a very sudden shift, which might make the video feel abrupt. In this case, we can use B-roll shot as a transition from one scene to another. For instance, we can use this shot to create a feel that the time is flying. By inserting it between the day and night scene, we can make our videos feel seamless. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about B-roll. I think you've got it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you in our next tips. Hope you enjoy. Bye!